My name's Dr. Suma Shah. I am a neuroimmunologist and MS specialist at Duke. I specialize in the care of women's health and MS. I am part of this unique group to Duke called the Obstetric Medical Group, or OMG, where I serve as the neurology specialist caring for patients who are planning on conceiving during their pregnancy and postpartum. I love caring for patients with neuroimmunologic diseases. That means anything that causes inflammation on the brain, the nerves to the eye, or the spinal cord. MS, or multiple sclerosis, is the most common diagnosis that falls in that category, but there are lots of other rare diseases that require a knowledgeable expert in managing the disease, and those are ones that we have the ability to provide more of a holistic, multidisciplinary care here at Duke for. When I see patients in clinic, I try to be pretty approachable. I like to ensure that people have the space to ask the questions they need, and I'm pretty fiercely protective of that time in the room with my patients. In that approachability, I do try my best to answer the questions that are asked with as much scientific evidence as possible, acknowledging that in the world I live in neuroimmunology and MS, sometimes there isn't an answer for every single question out there, and learning to be somewhat comfortable with that gray area and find directions forward. I spend a lot of time outdoors. We live just around the corner from the River State Park, and so you'll often find myself and my family going on hikes, driving out to the mountains, spending time as much as we can with all that North Carolina has to offer.